So what we'll be doing is we'll be disconnecting this water line here that goes straight to my fridge, my old fridge, because I bought a new fridge and now this water line isn't necessary. So what we have here, we have that water line going to my old fridge that isn't there anymore. We'll be disconnecting it over here and over there. And we'll be replacing that whole line with a PEX pipe. We're working with old poly B tubing, so what we'll need is poly B to PEX conversion connectors. Okay, over there at the top I thought it was PEX, but it is poly B also. Okay, so I cut out PEX piping to size, and we'll be getting ready for the install. Okay, the tools that you'll be needing is you'll be needing this pipe cutter over here, just a standard pipe cutter. And then you have your go, no-go gauge over there. You have your crimping tool, and you have the already cut PEX pipe. Then we have the PEX to PEX connector, which we won't be using. We'll actually be using two of those PEX to poly B connectors. So what we'll be doing first is we'll be cutting off the main water supply, just turning off that valve. We'll be flushing a couple toilets just to relieve some pressure in the pipes. What you want to do also is run the faucet, which I actually forgot to do in this video. So you'll see a little bit extra pressure when I cut it with the pipe cutter. So there it goes. Then we'll be cutting it at the top. And now you got your piece completely removed. So that's what it looks like after just cutting those two sections. Now you just want to put the connectors on. Make sure you have the poly B side on with the poly B piping and the PEX with the PEX piping. Otherwise you'll notice a leak in your connection. Okay? Then you just take the crimping tool around the ring and you just want to clamp down. And that's good enough pressure to get that sealed. Then you got your PEX pipe connection on the other side. Same exact thing. Once that's in properly, you just want to clamp down on that with the crimping tool. Later we'll be checking them all with the go, the no-go gauge. Make sure all the connections are good. And it's the same type of thing for the bottom connection, right? You got your connection, PEX where the PEX is, and poly B where the poly B is. And same thing for the rings. And then you're just going to crimp down on each of them. Here we're just checking the connections, making sure they're all crimped properly. Same thing for the top portion, and everything looks great. After that, you just turn on the water, turn on the faucet. Everything looks like it's running fine with no leaks. Alright? That's it for the video, guys. If you have any questions, you can always leave some comments below.